Well, you might be a bit surprised to see me here, but someone who I'm a huge fan of just released an amazing new course. You should take it. I've seen it. It's good.
You know, Mr. Trump and I don't agree on a whole lot. But on this, there's no question. I love this new course by the Lazy Programmer. It's about how to create videos, just like this one.
Thanks, Joe. Welcome to this course on how to create deepfakes. I've seen the Lazy Programmer's other courses. A lot of math, a lot of coding. Not for everyone. But with this course, you don't have to worry. This course doesn't have any coding or math at all.
That's right, Donald. This course is purely about how to use existing tools, most of them free and open source, to generate videos of anyone, saying what you want them to say, and doing what you've decided you want them to do. How crazy is that?
Pretty crazy, but not as crazy as my Twitter feed. I still win at that.
You're probably right. So who should take this course? Everyone. This is powerful technology. In fact, my government right now is so scared they're thinking of regulating AI.
That's because they're losers. A bunch of dodos that don't understand technology. Who hired these people?
Who knows? But hey, despite what you think of this technology, whether you're for it or against it, it's important to at least understand it and know how it works. As they say, better the devil you know. Anyway, welcome to this course. I know you'll enjoy it.